Oh, it's coming. Ooh, that sounds like a good noise. Sounds like glass. Oh, another tree house.
Go in there and see if someone lives there.
No.
We're going upstairs.
I'll get the GPS out.
You like don't know where to go. Why would you?
I have my GPS out, so.
You gotta pass the turn, you know? Look at it. Move right over there.
I have my GPS out. I know where we are. We're 10 minutes away from the car.
How do you know where the car is?
Because I see the trail.
Where's the car?
How do you see the trail?
You don't see the car.
Well, I can review the recordings. I can review the recordings,
Oh, yeah.
and I can find the way we went back.
Well, where the road is over there.
Okay, I don't need it anymore, I guess.
I can't tell where you walk there. We don't need no ankle.
You know, ankle stroke and a copy of
Your father cutting your throat.
Why, Daddy? Why are you being so silly?
Being silly, that's how he is.
There's a lot of mud here. Oh, so now we're back on the trail again. I guess Daddy led us the right way. I mean, that's true, you can.
Oh, wow. Who taught you that?
Teachers.
Teacher?
Yeah.
Really? You said it just like that? How did teacher come?
Bum.
What?
Guys, there's no, they don't recommend poison ivy.
You know poison ivy looks like that?
No.
No, neither.
What do you know what it looks like, Katya?
Mm-hmm.
What does it look like?
Like Rapira.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, you will. Poison ivy.
There's the tree back, finally.
So how do you like the Arkansas?
It's nice.
Nice.
Something new and
Wow,
different.
there you go.
I'm actually happy there's no snakes and haunted snakes.
Haunted snake? What the hell is that?
Snakes that are mean. There's snakes. Snakes that are mean. That's how.
They're all mean.
Oh, here comes one now. It's called payback. Or like revenge, something like that. I remember this. The lake is here. At least I get to enjoy a nice sunny view. It's got nice and cool. You guys are going to learn from us. Allergies. There we go. The guy's not over there.
Yeah, he fell down that night.
The people with the dog saved him.
Oh yeah, I remember that. We're going back now.
Yeah, dude.
Imagine
Maybe they
if
saved him.
I'll go last in the bridge so that maybe someone can find the water.
What's the platform with the spike?
That?
I'm gonna go first just to see if I get wet. Ooh, look at down there.
I told him you to drop the tablets down.
Why would I drop it in there? Oh no, we're going off track again.
He's gonna get to the back of the car and stuff either.
Right now it's 6:19.
Oh, look, after somewhere else, and you look at it down the road, you see a light in the front.
Oh, I see a snake over there.
Saw it.
It's over there.
Oh, okay. It's a rose colored rose. Uh-huh. That is. We're not running.
No.
Why not?
Do I have to? No. Because. Oh no.
Really got crap in this.
Stick.
Will we take a picture of Billy by the water? Because I'm going to send it to the mom. Over there, Billy, by the water. Have to take a picture and send it to the mom. Oh, where?
Look at me. Thank you.
Look at all this water.